friends from my backyard. We're doing a little Aldi grocery haul today. I'm just going to show you what I bought. About $55 for all this food. I know it's a little bit out of pocket. No coupons to use over at Aldi, but lots of stuff you just can't get at any other grocery store. So the first one are these mini chicken empanadas. I mean, they look super yummy. And a lot of this stuff too, since we can't travel because of everything going on in the world, it's just really nice to get these little items that are different from different, world foods. And I just absolutely adore them. So lots of like taco empanada stuff in this haul. And a lot of this stuff is also newer items over at Aldi. So I thought it'd be fun to do this sort of video. I see them all the time on Instagram. So I thought, hey, I'd do that. So this guy was $4.79. All of these following products are $4.79. This is a little corn dog with some chicken, $4.79 as well. And then we have the same thing, but with beef. And then this taco kit for $9.99. We made this for dinner and it was fantastic. Very delicious to make these tacos at home. And also these sweet potato chips. It's always in stock over at Aldi for $2.49. And also these little flour tortillas for $1.45. So a lot of pantry staples that I buy. These almonds are my husband's favorite, so I always grab one of those when I'm there for $3.99. And affordable stuff, and some of this is really unique, like these little rose cones for $3.49, kind of like a Mother's Day sort of springtime thing. And this will not be in stock forever, so when this stuff shows up at the store, you got to go and buy it right away. And there's 4 of them here, and it is made by Aldi. And I just thought they were super cute, and I had one, and they're so good. It's like a strawberry sorbet on the top, and like with a chocolate base. Really, really nice. It's so cute. Very nice Mother's Day gift. And then also I got these shrimp skewers, kind of a newer product for $6.99. I thought that would make really good shrimp tacos, some peppers, like some stuff, just regular stuff. $1.99 for these calzones. I always buy them when I go to Aldi. It's my husband's favorite. And then the final thing that I got was this little spice thing, and it has for $3.99. It has 4 different types of spices for the summertime. It is by Stone Mill, which is an Aldi brand. So we have the 4 different types. We have the habanero salt, maple bacon. This one really captured my imagination, and Parmesan garlic and chili lime salt. So not bad. So like $1 per spice, and I get to use this for the summer. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, kind of a different sort of video, this little grocery haul. I just love to see what's new over at Aldi, and I think you guys might enjoy the same thing. So yeah, if you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.